Hey folks, Vic here, and I'm not sure if you're paying like your $50, $60, $75 every year to start up your sprinkler system, but starting up is the easy part. I'll pay to have it shut down because I got to blow out the lines, but starting up is simple. Let me show you how. Put the water supply back into your sprinkler system, and you should have two valves, and depending on how your backflow system works, my county requires a backflow. Very simple. Put the two valves on. You can hear the water start to go through now. And now we'll go out to the actual programming box and I'll show you how to start your sprinkler system. Okay, so you want to find your program box. And first thing is, why don't we check on the batteries, make sure they didn't explode. Okay, so batteries look good. Oh, no, it's exploded. We're gonna have to go ahead and change out this battery. So I do have the unit plugged in, so the programming still stayed on. So once you get the batteries in, put the cover back on, and then we'll go ahead and get the zones started up real quick. So first thing you want to do, put this on auto, take it off. So you see that went from off, and now we're on manual. So manual automatically goes through each zone, 10 minutes each zone. Let's go take a look. And what you want to watch for is that when each head pops up, that there's no broken heads, and that'll show by the water shoot. There it goes. So once it pushes all the air out, that's when they'll finally pop up the head. And again, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and check out whether or not there are any broken heads. And you'll know that because they're spraying out in a funky way or just shooting out. So all the heads look good. That's zone 1. Now let's go ahead and get through the other zones. And within 3 or 4 minutes, get out all the air and get the things going. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press select up one time. You saw it went to zone 2 now, and it went back to 10 minutes. So now it's going to do zone 2. Let's go take a look at zone 2. System. There it goes. So again, check out all the heads. Make sure they're all good. And then you could shut down. There goes the other one. That one and this one. Let's go to zone 3. That was a quick startup. So within 2 minutes, that kind of purged out the air and is already set. And so now again, we're going to go to select, and we're going to see zone 2, go to 3, and that's going to go back to 10 minutes for the next zone. And again, we're in manual mode, and this is back onto auto. Zone 3, 10 minutes. Let's go check it out. That was quick. Most of the air came out when you're doing zone 1. Remainder from zone 2. You hear it? All the heads are good. Next zone. We're back. Only a minute done. It's going to go to 4. It's going to go back to 10. There you go. Let's go check out zone 4. Guess what, guys? We found a leak. That's why you want to do it. Matter of fact, this leak was fixed last year. That's a definite leak. So we're going to have to fix that before we turn on the zones this year. But in the meantime, it won't stop me from going ahead and opening up and purging out the air from the last 2 zones. That was 2 minutes. Zone 5, back to 10, flashing, we're on. Gonna get sprayed. Let's hear them scream.
Why are you videotaping us?
I want to hear you scream when the sprinklers go on. And First sprinkler of the year.
But you just put pesticide on.
Yeah, I'm purging out the air so it starts. And then we'll reprogram it for tomorrow, starting on the odd day. And now the last zone is, so you see that zone 4, it only leaks that one there when it's on zone 4. So until I get somebody, I'm gonna reprogram this thing and take out zone 4 from running, or just put zone 4 at 1 minute. And you can hear the bushes getting watered now. Hear the air coming out, now the bushes. So my model is, it's a Nelson turf, but they're all basically very, very similar. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.